Hi, my name is Brenda and I'm going to show you how to make homemade wipes today using all natural ingredients. And I'm going to go through the ingredients with you. We have coconut oil. I have virgin coconut oil that's organic and it's unrefined, which means that there are no added chemicals to it and it's all natural. A couple of things I want to mention about the coconut oil is the saturated fats that are in this coconut oil are great for retaining moisture, which is good for your baby's bum. And also because it did not go through a refined process, there were no added chemicals to the coconut oil, so it makes it all natural. And I also wanted to mention that it has antioxidants that actually help with the healing process and help to prevent rashes on your baby's bum. We have lavender pure castle soap. This is all natural, and I wanted to mention it's sulfate and paraben free. It's petrochemical free and no animal testing, and it's sensitive for your baby's skin. And you can also use it for their hair and for their whole body to wash in the tub. I have my measuring utensils because I'm going to need the measuring cup for the water and to measure the soap and the coconut oil. Here's a container that I used and I have a lid for it. It is actually a reused Clorox wipe lid. I was trying to find different containers that I could use that were most easy to use and applicable, and I figured that I could recycle these, and it made it easier in the paper roll process as far as cutting them without having to take each strip out and place it in a regular like Tupperware container. And here are Viva paper towels, which is my choice. I discovered that these are just really soft on the baby's skin and they are very durable and they're reasonably priced. I think I paid $7 and something for a 12 roll of Viva paper towels. Bounty is also a good paper towel as well. And I'm going to go ahead, and I want to mention the water. Water is another ingredient that I'm going to be using, and I want to explain you could use distilled water, which you could buy at the store for really cheap in the gallons, that already purifies the water because tap water can be harsh on your skin. I will mention that in actually Kentucky, our pH in our water, tap water, is very well. The pH balance should be between 6.5 and 8.5, and ours is at about 8.5, 8.6 on average. But I will be boiling the water, which will purify it of germs and parasites, and that will help purify the water. I'm going to use 3 heaping tablespoons of coconut oil, and I'm going to add it, if I can get it open. Oh, hold on a second. And then if you have someone stronger that can help out, that would be great. Help me with this. Thank you very much. If you have someone who can help you open the jar of coconut oil, then that's an additive. So I'm going to start with 3 tablespoons. And be generous with the tablespoons. You can really never have too much coconut oil. So I'm just going to use my finger to put it in there because right now it's a hard consistency, but when you boil it with the water, it's going to become soft, it's going to liquefy, and it's going to blend in with the boiling water. I'm going to add 1 more. Again, you can never have too much coconut oil. And I use the coconut oil first by using the same tablespoon because you don't want to mix soap with your coconut oil. But you can add soap to your like in the spoon, you can add your coconut oil to your soap and it won't harm it. So I'm just going to do 1 tablespoon of soap. I discovered you actually don't need a lot of soap. And really you just need it to help cleanse the skin a little bit. So I'll set that back down. I'm going to turn the burner on high because I want it to come to a boil rather quickly. Now while that's boiling and it's all the soap and the coconut oil is going to mix with the water, now I'm going to show you what I did with the paper towels. I actually went ahead and already cut a paper towel in half, but it's probably the most time-consuming thing that probably lasts a couple minutes, and because this video is only to be 6 to 8 minutes long, I cut that out. So I already cut this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you, I'm going to put a paper roll towel inside this container because this is what our baby wipe solution is going to be poured into. So I put it inside there. And then once the water starts boiling, I'm gonna pour evenly. I'm gonna, like a cup in this container. You need 2 containers, which I have 2. And I already put paper towels in this container, so we're gonna have 2. So this 2 cups of baby wipe solution actually makes 2 containers of wipes, which can last a really long time. And I wanna mention the reason why I started making homemade baby wipes is because I tried store-bought wipes on my son's bum and it broke his skin out. I tried changing diapers. I thought maybe the diapers were the problem, but when I changed diapers, his skin still broke out, and I discovered that it was the wipes that I was using. So I started searching on the internet and looking for, I'm gonna switch burners. I accidentally turned on the wrong burner. Normally, I will say if you have kids around to always use the back burner so that your kids don't touch the pot and get burned and spill something and burn their skin. So I always suggest to keep knives actually way far back on the counter when you're done using them, as well as hot things on the stove. Okay, now the water has come to a boil and we're gonna pour it into the containers. I'm gonna take it off the stove and turn off the burner so I don't get burnt in the process. And I'm gonna add a container on top of the paper towels. I'm gonna add a little more. Just pour it on top. It's very hot. Try not to burn yourself. Now I'm gonna start pouring into here. Oops. And the rest of this can go in here. That was about even between the 2 paper towels, 2 sets, and a little more in there. I'm gonna put the lids on. See? And voila, we're done. You let those sit for 1 hour and you have your homemade baby wipes. Thank you for watching. Bye.